So Ron, this is the same link. We'll just starting with the webinar.
Yeah, that is the same link.
Chandra, so let's start with the screen and go through the steps so that we all can go through these steps and do it.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much. Yeah, so hi everyone. Today we are here to present you how we can simply migrate our analytics from Universal Analytics to GA4. So as you know, the Universal Analytics is going to shut down from July 1st, and we need to migrate at anyhow to GA4. So whoever using Universal Analytics for their website, they might be seeing the similar message like migrate your analytics to GA4. So there are a couple of ways how you can do it. Like you can simply click on migrate and you will redirect to here. Or maybe if you are not seeing that notification or somehow you miss that, what you can do is simply when you are on your home page of Universal Analytics, you can simply go into the admin and click on GA4 setup assistance. So here you can migrate your GA4 directly. And there is a third way, which is a very simple way, and something that we can recommend you to do is like we can create a separate property for this GA4. So simply go to the home. And under acquisitions or traffic, source and media. And there is a one more way how we can do it is like simply go to Google Analytics, search Google Analytics, open Google Analytics. And go to the setup assistance here. Yeah. So for example, here, what we can do is to go to the directly go to the property, or what we can do is we can create a simply new property by clicking on create new property here. We just need to give the name of the property. For example, it is test. This is the region we need to select and the time zone that we need to select so that we can tracking a user data with right time and currency that we need to select. For example, if it is a e-commerce website, so we definitely need to select the currency so that we can see the proper revenue in right currency. And just click on the next. Yeah, please go ahead.
Time zone. If I'm in a different time zone, so EST, I should set it to my own time zone, right?
This is specifically if you are running your business for entire US. So definitely for the central time zone or Pacific time zone will be work.
So not Eastern?
If you are running your business specifically
Yeah, Eastern.
for, specifically, yes, in that case, definitely Eastern.
Okay.
Clicking on next, it is just a simple business information that you need to provide. For example, food and drink industry, and it is simply the size of your business. For example, the medium size, and just click on next. And here is the objective of your business that we need to select. So for example, drive sale on your website, and just click on create. And here is a simple website that we need to create here. Yeah, so there is an option like you can create a property for website, Android app, and iOS. So let's start with the website and just enter your website here. It's like on web, and we have added that here. And make sure we don't need to add HTTP here, just simply the website and the name ROW here, and create a stream. So that's it. The container is set up. Now there is a next step like adding your tag on the website. So there are multiple ways how you can add your GA4 tag on the website. So there is one way like install tag manually, like you need to copy this tag and ask your developer to add on your website. And there is one other way, like with the help of Google Tag Manager. So we mostly prefer Google Tag Manager to add any tag on the website because it is very easy. And whoever have a simple knowledge of Google Tag Manager, the person can add the tag simply. We don't need to go into the website backend and add this code manually. So I'm going to use the Google Tag Manager for it. Like I just copy this measurement ID, go into your Google Tag Manager, and simply create.
Where was the ID?
Yeah, this is the measurement ID. This is the measurement.
I see. Okay.
Yeah, we need to copy. So I will add more details when I create a tag. So see, this is the tag manager created for the website on which I am going to implement GA4. So let's start with creating a tag. So under tag section, we will create new. We can name this tag like GA4. GA4 configuration.
Wait, where's the tag section? Sorry, I missed you.
Just a minute. The tag section. When you go into the tag manager, here is the tag section.
The menu.
Yeah. And new tag.
Okay.
GA4. So this name is for your purpose. You can name anything here. You need to go under tag configuration and select Google Analytics GA4 configuration tag. Once we select this, here we need to provide the measurement ID. So this is your measurement ID here. Just copy this and paste it here. This is the tag, and now you need to set a trigger. So trigger will be, this tag should be firing on all the pages. So you just need to select all pages. Make sure the tag configuration tag we have selected GA4 configuration, we have added measurement ID, which we can get from here, from GA4, and make sure we are triggering it on all the pages of the website. Just click on save. Yeah. So that's it. The tag is ready. We can check if tag is firing or not. So just click on preview. The tag manager will give you a debug view where you can check if the created tag is firing correctly or not. For that, just click on debug view and add your website URL here and click on connect.
Again, where's the debug view on the tag manager?
Would you like to see where we can go for the debug view?
Yeah. Where was it?
Here under preview. If you click.
Okay, preview.
And just
okay, then I put my
connect. Page view hit, and this is also hit. So not could be. Let me check if it is firing correctly. So yeah, a second, and we need to submit this and publish the tag and continue. The tag is published on the website. Let me check while refreshing this and this, and also refreshing this. Yeah, so version is live. So this is how you can simply add your GA4 pixel on the website. Once we have added that pixel on the website, we need to make sure that we are enabling some basic settings here, like we have to complete few steps here while we do the migration of GA4. Like there are some configuration settings that we need to check right marks so that we are not missing any data while migrating the GA4. So these are some basic events that GA4 can automatically track. So page view, scroll, and all those events that automatically will be tracked in our GA4. And here we can see all the events. If we don't want any of these events not to be tracked in GA4, so we can simply disable this event. And yeah, so that is done. Next, click on this. So now our GA4 container is created and tag is placed with the help of for GA4. Maybe now we can start seeing the data, but actually GA4 take a 24 hours to show any data on the website. So after adding a tag on the website and after creating a container, you might need to wait at least for the 24 hours or 48 hours before seeing any data in your GA4. So this is how you can simply migrate your GA4 account from Universal Analytics to GA4. So maybe I can take any question if you guys have any doubt here.
Yeah, where did you get to the settings? The last thing you just made sure everything was turned on. So the tag settings.
Okay, maybe I can show you that into our one account. Let me show you that. Yeah, so here, let me share my screen. I will show you that. Yeah, so as you see, you can see measurement ID here. These are the some settings that you need to verify, like data
Where so that's on account settings.
It is under
No.
data. It is under data stream. And maybe once you have, after 24 hours, you can start seeing the data like, let me show you. Yeah, after 24 hours, definitely like this, you can start seeing the data is showing like this, like users, new users, and whatever the event that you guys have created, you can see the data here. And there are some features, important features, like you can create a event and you can mark those event as a conversion. So for example, you have created an event like page view or scroll down or form fill. So you can mark them as a conversion by simply, for example, these are the events that we have created in our account. So maybe you can mark this event as a conversion by simply enabling this. And once you do that, you can see the conversion data. That event could be tracked under your conversion here. Yeah, so by default, GA4 track the purchase, but as I enable the click as a conversion, so now onward, it will also show me that click as a conversion here. So do we have any doubts so far here?
So we need to set it up. Yeah, we need to set it up for the app as well, or
You can create a property on the same container, or you can set up for different for the app as well. But it's recommended if it is for the same website, you can set up a similar property in same container. Is there any other question? If you have any doubt or if you need any further help, like setting up e-commerce conversion in your GA4 or building a custom report, you can definitely reach out to us.
all right. All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Did you record this thing, by the way?
Yeah, we do.
Could you share the recording just in case?
Definitely. We will share the recording with you.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for joining.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.